Okay, so this is about how to change the lift cable on a Woodmizer LT15. Wow. Okay, this is pretty funny. The saga continues. So in replacing the lift cable, there's a little wheel that goes back in there, okay? And you'll love this. On the other side of the wheel, no, it's not a hex bolt, it's an Allen key, 1/4 inch, I think. And so had to dig some sawdust out of the Allen key bolt head using a smaller device, and then literally jam an Allen key back in there. It's very tight, and to remove this, because there's no way the other cable end, let alone this cable end, would feed through between the wheel here and the orange upright stabilizer. So the wheel has to come out. There's no choice. And I'm sitting here looking at all of this and I'm going, you know what? It's like whoever designed the Woodmizer unit put it all together, this fabulous little sawmill, and then as an afterthought went, whoa, we need a place to run a cable mechanism to pick that saw head up and down. And ooh, that saw head's a little heavy. We gotta jam some gas struts in there to make this thing feasible. And everything is so tight when there's literally acres of room here to have moved the engine over a little bit, moved that upright over a little bit. There's my day's rant on, you know, my favorite topic, bad design. Okay, let's keep chugging along here. I was going to swap out this bolt for a hex head, but no way, because this is a purpose-built bolt specifically to fit in this spot. And I tried to even insert it this way because better to deal with a hex on this side, in my opinion. Better to deal with an Allen key on this side and a hex nut on the other side. But no way, everything was built around this bolt. So there we have it. The good things in life just take a little bit longer, including, it appears, getting the light right here. And so these need to fit onto this bolt. And so what I did first is I kept this one off and I just slipped this in nice and slick into that bracket, and then went to insert this piece after I had inserted the bolt so nothing was falling out. No way. Those brackets are solid, they're substantial. I can't bend them out of the way with any tool that I've got at my disposal. And when you look at the entire width of this, it's simply too wide to fit into that bracket if you try to slide this spacer along here. It'll only fit if the spacer is completely in place. There is literally no way to do that without some ingenuity. This is a factory assembly. I guess that cable, after 9 years, was so worn out because it was the original cable. So racking my brain, what do I do? I've got to hold these in place. So I went to my workshop, cut myself a little kind of dowel out of some cedar shake, put it in there. Now I'm going to slip this in, but I'm not going to take a chance on losing one of these spacers. If I lose one of these spacers down in this 1-inch broken rock, I'm literally never going to find it. Yeah, I've got a shop magnet. I can play around here, but it's not what I want to be doing right now. So what I'm going to do is we'll MacGyver this a little bit. Stay there, bolt. I don't want to be looking for you either. And I'm going to masking tape this. Because the thing about masking tape is it'll do the job, it'll stick, but yet I can push a bolt through it and it'll press through. As you know, it's very thin paper. Now I've designed this little dowel so it can be pushed out one way, and I've lost track of which way. So from that way to that way, it can be pushed out. Okay, So we're going to push, when I put the bolt in the back side, I'm going to literally push that little wooden dowel that's hiding somewhere under there. I'm not going to keep on doing this, and push through. That's the theory. Let's see what really happens. Okay, this is going to challenge my videographer. I'm going to try and get out of the way of the camera while still getting the job done. And so I've got to get my cable in there. Got so far so good. I'm actually fitting this in here. Now, get the bolt in there. Come on. Oh, that is so tight. Like the bolt barely squeezes into that space. And now, this could take a while. Okay. Trying. It's got to be positioned perfectly. Oh, I may have to try it from this side. Whoa, I'm gonna have to take another tack on this. Okay, I can't see if I'm getting it lined up. So let me put that there and there. And try not to lose my spacer. If not, I'm counting on Coral, videographer, to tell me where this thing bounces. So if you see the camera wobbling around, there's a perfectly good reason for it. Okay. Okay, we appear to be in position. You can see the little piece of wood in there. Now, oh, it's not wanting to break through my masking tape after I gave my masking tape the big build-up here. There we go. We're going. We're moving. Oh, this is like the lunar landing and something else all in one. We're through. I am not letting go of this. Now, Howard, where did you put the nut? Oh, I thought I just dropped it off.
Right here.
Got it. Okay. Like I say, there's just no working space here. I have small hands.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Yeah, Siri's telling me to try again. There's no chance I'm trying this again. Take that, Siri. Now, don't tell me I didn't get the cable in there. I did. That would have been a Howard thing to do. So now this pops up into here. I've got a nut over on the other side for this, and we will be in business. The lift cable will be working. I've got to tighten that little guy up, and that's it. It's just never-ending fun at 82 Maple.
Too much fun!